making a pizza today, and these are our ingredients. We have bread, onion, pineapple, cherry tomato paste, mushroom, and meat. After that, we'll take some bread. First, we put some tomato paste. Now we spread some onion. Next, we'll spread meat and mushroom. Then pineapple and cherry tomato. Some fresh herbs. And don't forget the last important thing, cheese. Now it's ready to bake. We will need 180 degrees to bake the pizza. And now we will put the pizza in. We'll wait for it to bake for 20 minutes. Now our pizza is ready. Okay. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.